My name is Jack Larkin,
And I'm Alex Pilling.
and we're the co-founders of CORTE. We make finance less overwhelming.
I'm a 16-year-old sophomore at Springside Chestnut Academy. I love entrepreneurship and have a passion for design. With that being said, I have spent the majority of my time during this process designing our website, logo, and thinking of new ways to take our vision to the next step.
And I'm 17 years old, and I'm a sophomore at Springside Chestnut Academy. Finance is a topic that I find a lot of interest in, and I've spent the majority of this process building the background information for our company and researching the best ways to appeal to our customer audience.
Students ages 16 to 24 graduate either high school or college and are left with little to no financial planner knowledge. With us, once you sign up, we will be there for you every step of the way. We want to get young people started as soon as possible. A dollar compounded today will be much better than a dollar compounded in 10 years.
We strive to help people without a strong background in finance understand the many layers of money management.
Our company is easy to use, easy to sign up, easy to stop using, accessible from anywhere, and we are devoted to helping our customers to the best of our ability.
Through our research, we have found many competitors. We have found Acorns, which is $1 to $5 a month, with a $10 sign up bonus, and they help people know what they're investing into. We have also found Saveology, which has three different subscriptions: a free, a $7 a month, and a $15 a month subscription, and they help with digital financing and financial wellness. We've also found Stash, which is $1 to $9 a month, and they allow everyday people to start managing their finance. They offer a $5 sign up bonus when making a deposit of $5 or more.
Through our customer research, we have found that the majority of people from 16 to 24 do not have a large background in finance and usually do not have a plan when coming out of college. Because student debt is nearing $1.6 trillion, we plan to help our customers with their student debt.
We plan to be unique by targeting people who do not have a strong background in finance. We want to create a step by step financial plan that is easy for our customers to understand, and it also teaches them.
Our strategy is to create a survey to understand the user better, then provide education based on the results of the survey, and then make a step by step plan to help the user with what they are struggling with, and provide advice and helpful tips along the way. So, this right here is our prototype for our website, and this is the homepage as you can see, and then down below is the link to our Instagram. And as we continue to grow, we would also like to continue to grow our social media presence.
So here's our about page. We like to talk about the background of our company, and then we also give a brief description of about the founders, me and Alex. We talked about our motivation and our plans for the future.
And then this right here is the prototype of our survey, which we will continue to expand as we grow as a company. And it includes questions such as how old are you? Do you have a job? All the way to questions such as do you have a credit card? And are you interested in acquiring a credit card?
Our plans for the future include taking our website prototype to the next step by turning it into an actual website that's accessible to anyone, and develop our survey to reach many different financial areas. We will also begin searching for financial experts to add to our team so they can provide our customers with the best possible advice.
Through the production of our company, we have received great feedback from both our peers and our teachers. This class has opened our eyes to topics that are not typically taught to kids our age. Finance is a subject that we both find very interesting, and through this class have been able to take a closer look at. We have put a lot of time and dedication into this process, and we really fell in love with it. Entrepreneurship is a field that neither one of us ever took into consideration, but now it is something that we want to pursue. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.